So what is the forbidden soloing trick? Well, it is basically to divide your solos up into 4 bars or 8 bars, little periods. So if you got 16 bars to solo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you take these 4 bars, so we got 4, 8, 12, 16, right? So you take the first 4 bars and you do one thing. So you basically 1, 2, 3. And then you do something else. All right? So you do one thing there, one thing there, one thing there, and one thing there, and your solo is going to come out super professional compared to what you used to do. Just listen to every guitar player out there.